You've probably heard the phrase, trust your gut. But what if that advice was more scientific than we realized? It turns out your gut isn't just for digestion, it's part of a complex behind-the-scenes relationship with your brain. And it may be shaping your mood, stress levels, and even how clearly you think. Let's explore what the latest science says about the gut-brain connection and why your gut microbiome could be the key to better mental health. Your brain and gut are in constant communication through something called the gut-brain axis. This isn't just about nerves, it's a full-blown conversation involving hormones, immune cells, and neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. And here's the wild part. About 90% of your body's serotonin is actually produced in the gut, not the brain. Researchers at places like Harvard and Johns Hopkins even call the gut a second brain because of how powerful this link is. This axis works both ways. A stressed-out brain can affect digestion, but poor gut health? It can affect how your brain processes emotions, stress, and even memory. Inside your gut lives a microscopic universe, trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes. Inside your gut lives a microscopic universe, trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes. Studies show that people with anxiety, depression, and even cognitive decline often have different gut bacteria than those without these conditions. Recent research has shown that gut bacteria influence mood by affecting how we produce and respond to neurotransmitters. Some scientists even say your microbes might be pulling the strings on your emotions. So how exactly does this play out? Studies show that people with anxiety, depression, and even cognitive decline often have different gut bacteria than those without these conditions. This microbial imbalance, called dysbiosis, can trigger inflammation, disrupt mood-regulating pathways, and change how your body reacts to stress. One recent article even highlighted how people with major depression had lower levels of certain beneficial bacteria. In other words, your mood might not just be in your head, it could be rooted in your gut. On the flip side, highly processed foods, refined sugars, and artificial additives can disrupt the balance of your microbiome. Your diet has a huge impact on your gut, and by extension, your mind. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut help grow beneficial bacteria. So do fiber-rich foods like fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes. On the flip side, highly processed foods, refined sugars, and artificial additives can disrupt the balance of your microbiome. Even small diet changes, like adding more plants and probiotics, can lead to noticeable changes in energy, clarity, and emotional balance. Researchers are also looking beyond depression and anxiety. The gut-brain connection may play a role in autism spectrum disorders, brain fog, and neurodegenerative diseases. Even small diet changes, like adding more plants and probiotics, can lead to noticeable changes in energy, clarity, and emotional balance. Start simple. Eat more fermented foods. Add fiber-rich veggies and fruits to your plate. Cut back on ultra-processed snacks when you can. Some people also benefit from probiotics or prebiotics, but always talk to a healthcare provider first. Whether it's attention, sleep, or memory, your gut may be involved in more than you ever imagined. So what can you do today to support both gut and brain health? Start simple. Eat more fermented foods. Add fiber-rich veggies and fruits to your plate. Cut back on ultra-processed snacks when you can. Some people also benefit from probiotics or prebiotics, but always talk to a healthcare provider first. The bottom line: if you want to boost your mood, reduce anxiety, or just think more clearly, you might want to start with your gut, because your brain and belly, they're in this together. Thanks for watching. For more tips like this, backed by science but easy to understand, subscribe to Health Post 360 and check out our latest health stories. And hey, have you ever noticed a connection between what you eat and how you feel? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experience.